Hello, quick introduction to the video. My name is Cameron. I'm a graduate apprentice software engineer currently studying at Glasgow University, and I'm using this video as a way to sort of rubber ducky debug a LeetCode problem, just attempt to solve it, talk through my thought process, and hopefully it's useful to someone watching this. So the problem that I'm going to be attempting today is number 2806, account balance after rounded purchase. Initially you have a bank balance of $100. You're given an integer purchase amount representing the amount you will spend on a purchase in dollars. At the store where you make the purchase amount is rounded to the nearest multiple of 10. In other words, you pay a non-negative rounded amount, such that rounded amount is a multiple of 10, and it is the absolute difference between a rounded amount and purchase amount is minimized. If there is more than one nearest multiple of 10, the largest multiple is chosen. Return an integer denoting the account balance. Cool. So I'm going to go over to my notes here. So in fact, let's look at this. Purchase amount 9. That gets rounded up to 10. We do 100 minus 90. Or 100 minus the 10 rather, which gives us 90. And here 15 gets rounded up to 20. 100 minus 20 is 80. Constraints is that the purchase amount is going to be between 0 and 100. So let's go to our notes. Ideas. First thing we need to do is round the purchase amount, return the price, or round the purchase amount from, what did they call it in here? They called it balance. To round up to nearest 10, and then return that amount. So let's try that. I think I'll actually need to look up how to do this. So round up Python math.ceiling. Okay, we can't really import anything. Let's just hope that they include that in LeetCode. Let's hope that's something that's in there by default. So we want to return math.ceiling. We want to do the purchase amount, and so once we've got that, we want to do 100 minus that. Okay. Right, okay, this is, I've not specified if I want it to the nearest 10 or what I'm wanting to do. So let's say round up nearest 10. So we can do round. Okay, there's just a round function in Python. We can pass in -1 as a second parameter, and that should round up to 10 apparently. Okay, there we go. Let's hit submit. Oh. Okay, so the output here was 100, but we're expecting 90. So 5 should have got rounded up to 10. Okay, so why didn't that work? So here it doesn't look like it's worked. So we could try this instead. Okay, so that worked. Let's try submitting again. Again. Hmm. I think what we need to do is we need to check if purchase amount at index minus one, so the last character is a 5, then we want to round up. Otherwise we're just going to do 100 minus round minus 1. Let's add this test case and run. Get an error here, int object is not subscriptable. Okay, we need to put this outside. Okay, that worked. Let's hit submit and hope this works. Nice, got accepted. So, thank you very much for watching the video. Hope it was useful to you in some way, shape or form. If it was, please leave a comment. I love discussing these problems. And yeah, thank you very much for watching and I hope you have a great day. Bye.